Hey there, truck enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore everything you need to know about enhancing your ride. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for all Chevrolet truck owners, running boards. Imagine effortlessly stepping into your truck, adding that perfect blend of style and functionality. Whether you're navigating rugged terrains or cruising through city streets, running boards provide that elevated experience. In this video, we'll showcase different styles, benefits, and how they can transform your truck from ordinary to extraordinary. So don't miss out, smash that subscribe button. And let's get started on upgrading your Chevrolet truck with the ultimate running boards together. Number 1. Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra Experience with Unimotor 6.5 inches running boards. Designed to fit 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab and 2020 to 2025 2500 HD 3500 HD. These running boards excel in both style and functionality. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, they boast a rust-resistant polished finish for durability that outlasts standard step bars. Featuring a robust design with 4 brackets on each side, they can support up to 450 pounds, providing a non-slip, secure stepping surface. Installation is a breeze with the easy bolt-on system, requiring no drilling and aligning perfectly with factory holes. Set them up in less than an hour. Upgrade your truck with Unimotor running boards and enjoy the perfect blend of convenience, safety, and rugged elegance. Ideal for Chevrolet truck running boards. These side step bars are a must-have for every truck owner looking to enhance their vehicle's accessibility and style. Number 2. Comnova 6-inch running boards. Designed specifically for 2007 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab models, as well as 2007 to 2019 Silverado/Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD Crew Cab variants. These running boards not only enhance your truck's appearance, but also provide unparalleled functionality with their 6-inch wide steps. Crafted from durable stainless steel and anti-slip plastic for secure footing. The innovative slider design allows for precise positioning on your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit while adding convenience for your daily use. With an easy direct bolt-on installation, no drilling required, and support for up to 500 pounds, they're the perfect solution for safer access to your truck. Plus, with included brackets and stylish plastic covers, they offer an OE-style look that seamlessly blends with the design of your vehicle. Make entering and exiting your truck effortless with Comnova's top-quality running boards, tailored for Chevy truck enthusiasts seeking practicality and style. Number 3. OEDRO 6.5-inch running boards are the perfect accessory for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab, as well as the 2020 to 2025 Silverado/Sierra 2500/3500 HD, designed with precision compatibility in mind. These running boards ensure a seamless fit for your vehicle. The extra-wide 6.5-inch pedals provide a safe and convenient entry and exit, enhanced by a durable, textured black powder coating that offers excellent traction and corrosion resistance. Crafted from strong aluminum, OEDRO's construction guarantees unshakable rigidity, capable of supporting up to 350 pounds without bending. The unique 6-sided tube design not only complements the rugged look of your truck, but also features a division canal for optimal skid resistance. Plus, with easy installation, these running boards come equipped with slidable rails for customizable positioning, allowing for a straightforward bolt-on process with no need for drilling or cutting. Upgrade your Chevrolet truck with OEDRO running boards for enhanced functionality and style on the road. Number 4. Othout 6.5-inch Chevy Silverado running boards. Elevate your truck experience with these premium running boards designed specifically for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado/Sierra 1500 and 2020 to 2025 Silverado/Sierra 2500/3500 Crew Cabs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and anti-slip plastic, these boards gleam with a polished finish that not only enhances aesthetics, but also offers exceptional rust resistance. The wide 6.5-inch steps provide ample footroom, ensuring safety and comfort for family members of all ages when entering or exiting the vehicle. The innovative slider design allows for easy customization during installation, while the sturdy 8-bracket system guarantees maximum stability and load capacity of up to 500 pounds. Fit for those who value safety, style, and functionality. The Outhouse running boards are a must-have upgrade for any Chevrolet truck owner seeking both elegance and practicality. Perfect for enhancing your Chevrolet truck's accessibility while making a bold style statement. These running boards will redefine your driving experience. Number 5. APS 6 inches black flat running boards are a perfect choice. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these running boards offer superior rust and corrosion protection, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed with a snug, factory fit, their tapered ends sit closely to your vehicle, providing a sleek and classic look that complements your truck style. Safety is paramount, which is why these running boards feature a generous 6-inch wide step fully covered in anti-slip tread, giving you excellent grip and secure footing. Rain or shine, installation is a breeze with a complete DIY set that includes 2 running boards, all the necessary mounting brackets, hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. Compatible with Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra 1500 20192025, as well as the 2500 HD and 3500 HD models from 2020 to 2025, including the Silverado 1500 LTD and Sierra 1500 LD 2022. These running boards are the ideal upgrade for any Chevrolet truck enthusiast. Enhance your driving experience today. In conclusion, Chevrolet truck running boards are an excellent investment for both functionality and style. They enhance accessibility, protect your truck's paint, and offer a personalized touch to your vehicle. Whether you're looking for durability or aesthetics, there's a perfect option for everyone. We hope this guide helps you choose the best running boards for your Chevy truck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with fellow truck enthusiasts, and hit that notification bell for more great content.